Carbide is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of carbide tools to cut, shape, and form various materials. Carbide is a compound made up of carbon and a metal, typically tungsten, that is extremely hard and durable. Carbide tools are used in a variety of manufacturing processes, including metalworking, woodworking, and plastics manufacturing. These tools are known for their ability to withstand high temperatures and pressures, making them ideal for use in high-speed machining applications. Carbide tools are used in a variety of manufacturing processes, including drilling, milling, and turning. These tools are designed to be highly precise and accurate, allowing manufacturers to create complex shapes and designs with ease. Carbide tools are also highly durable, which means they can be used for extended periods of time without needing to be replaced. This makes them a cost-effective solution for manufacturers who need to produce large quantities of products. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom machinery and equipment for a variety of industries. The company has been in business for over 50 years and has a reputation for providing high-quality products and services to its customers. Berkness Company has extensive experience working with carbide tools and has the expertise to help customers choose the right tools for their specific needs. If you are interested in learning more about carbide tools and how they can benefit your manufacturing processes, you can reach out to Berkness Company by visiting the Contact Us page on their website. The company's team of experts can provide you with the information and guidance you need to make informed decisions about your manufacturing processes. Whether you need help choosing the right tools or need assistance with the design and production of custom machinery, Berkness Company is here to help. Contact them today to learn more. FAQs. 1. What is carbide and how is it used in manufacturing? Carbide is a compound made up of carbon and a metallic element, typically tungsten, titanium, or tantalum. It is commonly used in manufacturing for cutting tools, such as drills, end mills, and inserts, due to its high hardness and wear resistance. Carbide is also used in the production of wear parts, such as bearings and seals, as well as in the construction of molds and dies. 2. What are the benefits of using carbide in manufacturing? The primary benefits of using carbide in manufacturing are its high hardness and wear resistance, which allow for longer tool life and increased productivity. Carbide tools can also operate at higher speeds and feeds than traditional high-speed steel tools, resulting in faster machining times and improved surface finishes. Additionally, carbide is resistant to deformation and can withstand high temperatures, making it ideal for use in high-temperature applications. 3. How is carbide manufactured? Carbide is typically manufactured through a process called powder metallurgy, which involves mixing powdered tungsten or other metallic elements with carbon black and a binder material, such as cobalt or nickel. The mixture is then pressed into a desired shape and sintered at high temperatures to form a solid piece of carbide. The resulting carbide can then be further processed through grinding, polishing, and coating to create finished cutting tools or parts. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.